Greetings, car fanatics. Does the air coming out of your AC smell? Well, before you take it to a mechanic and spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars trying to fix your AC system, I'm going to show you two easy steps you can try to remove the smell from your AC system. This is my 2010 Porsche 911, and when I moved to Texas about 2 years ago, I started to notice a smell coming out of the AC system. So when I would start up my car and turn on the AC, for about the first few minutes, I would get a strong, musty smell. It kind of smelled like wet Band-Aids. And then after a while, this went away, and then it just kind of blew out musty air all the time. So the first step we're going to try is to simply replace the cabin air filter. Over time, this will hold moisture and other things like that, and mold can grow, and if that happens, it's going to contaminate the air and cause it to smell. If replacing the cabin air filter doesn't work, then that probably means we have mold or mildew in our AC system that we'll have to remove, and we're going to be using some Lysol to eliminate that. Before we jump into the video, I have a small favor to ask. I notice only about 20% of you are subscribed to the channel. So if you like the content, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithm and helps me grow the channel. So thanks. To remove the cabin air filter on the 911, you have to remove some of these plastic panels over here. And then you have this metal bracket that's held on by some T27 Torx screws. Remove that and then pull out the cabin air filter. So on my car, I replaced the cabin air filter with a new one, so there's nothing to see here. However, that didn't remove the smell, so let's move on to the next step and Lysol our AC system. Alright, so now we have the cabin air filter out, and this is where we're going to be spraying the Lysol, and it's going to circulate the Lysol and disinfect the entire AC system. But before we spray it in here, what we want to do is turn on the engine and turn the AC on full blast, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we got the engine on, AC on full blast. Make sure you have your recirculation turned off, that way it's going to suck air from the outside inward. This is going to allow it to pull the Lysol disinfectant through the AC system. In addition, you want to make sure you have your AC turned on. Alright, so now we're ready to spray the Lysol. On my car, I've already disinfected it, so I won't be spraying any more Lysol, but the process is pretty simple. Spray Lysol for about 30 seconds to a minute. Let that circulate for about 5 minutes, and repeat this as many times as necessary for your smell to go away. Alright, so on my car, I did this process twice. After the first time, the smell got a lot better, and I just repeated it a second time and let the AC run for about 5 minutes. And over time, the Lysol smell has gone away, and now only fresh smelling air is coming through the AC vent, so this definitely can work. I would try this out as a first step because it is so easy, and if it doesn't get rid of your smell, then you probably have something else going on. Alright, car fanatics, so if your AC is smelling musty before you take it to the shop and spend a bunch of money, go ahead and try these easy fixes. Try replacing the cabin air filter, and if that doesn't work, disinfecting the AC system with Lysol. Well, thanks for watching, car fanatics. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comments or questions below, and be sure to hit the bell notification icon so you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.